Dear students, welcome to SCPS online live class 5 English version. This is your Kamrul sir. Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I hope you are also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, in the previous class, we discussed one exercise 1, 2 and 3. That means chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3. Now today also we will discuss chapter 3. It's most important chapter 3. So today again we will discuss on chapter 3. Dear students, in this our revision part, we will try to practice our mathematics, our textbook maths, but we will try to make a creative question. Now dear student, already I have written a creative question like this one, but this is your according to the textbook book based on problem number 10. That means in exercise 3, if you go to the problem number 10, then you will go to this information. So this is the stem of my creative question, but I have taken this part from our textbook based on problem number 10. Clear, dear students? So we will solve. So now we will try to our textbook problem we will solve as a creative pattern, because we know in our final exam we will get creative question and some short question. Now dear students, look, the sum of ages of mother and her son is 60 years. That means the sum of mother and her son. So there are two persons, their sum 60 years. Mother's age is 3 times of son's age. So mother's age will be 3 times of son's age. Now we have to give the 4 answer of according to this step. Number 1, A. How many times are the sum of their ages then son's age? That means if we add mother's age and son's age, then what will be the answer? And we have to convert this answer how many times of the son's age. So this is our question number A. B number, what is the age of son? And C number, what is the age of mother? And D number, after 8 years. Suppose this is the present age. After 8 years, what will be the sum of their ages? That means mother is and son is. Now look, dear students, our according to the step, at present we can say at present the sum of their age is 60 years. So after 8 years, what will be the we can say new sum of their ages? So we have to find D. Now dear students, we can solve. Now at first, number A, how many times are? Now we can solve. I will solve this one is 2A. Now at first you can solve. We can write mother's age equal 3 times of son age. Mother's age equal 3 times of son age. And also we can say son's age equal 1 time of son age. One time, that means this indicate to equal. Clear? Because we know 5 on the 5, 7 on the 7. That means if we multiply by 1, this is indicate the same number. So son's age equal 1 time of son age. That means if we multiply the son age by 1, it will be same. So we can say 1 time of son age. Now if we add this to 1, then we will get sum of their ages. So sum of their ages 3 plus 1. If we add 3 plus 1, it will be 4. So 4 times of son age. So we can say sum of their ages equal 4 times of son age. So our answer, we can answer 4 times. So dear student, this is our answer. Sum of their ages is 4 times of son age. This is our answer of A. Now dear students, this is we can write as a sentence pattern, but you can solve this maths problem number A. According to taking the any algebraic pattern, that means variable, in chapter 4, our next chapter, you can get some mathematical statement and open sentence. So this problem we can solve by open sentence. How? Now dear students, we can write it, but I will prepare for you. You can write this one, it will be best for you. But when you can go to the higher class, suppose 6, 7, 8, then randomly you will get the algebraic process. It will be more easy, but now you can apply both on anyone, this and anyone. Now another alternate way, for number A, let sans age be x. X, what will be? Years. Suppose this is x years. Now therefore mother's age will be 3x years. If son age is x years, x that means unknown, we don't know, then some mother's age will be 3x years. Why? Because mother's age is 3 times of son. If son is x, so mother will be 3x. Now therefore sum of their ages equal x plus 3x years. That means 4x years. Now look, 4x years. X years indicate x years. This is indicate the sun age. So we can write 4 into sun's age. So our answer 4 times. Now dear students, you can say it is complicated for you, but when you will go to the upper class, that means class 6 to more than, then maximum times you have to solve any method, any maths by according this one. It will be more easy. But now in class 5 you can see it is complicated, but this method and previous one you can apply anyone. Clear? As you wish. Now dear students, we can go to the B number. What is the age of sun? Dear students, B number we can write, given that sum of their ages equals 60 years. Look, this is given. Sum of their ages is 60 years. Now we can get sum of their ages from A. From A, we can get sum of their ages equal 4 times of sun's age. Clear? So 4 times of sun's age. So we can write. So we can write age of sun. So age of sun will be 60 divided by 4 years. So it will be 15 years. So our answer 15 years. Why divided by 4? Because sum of their ages is 4 times. From here we get 4 times, and this is indicate also the sum of their ages. Now if we divide this 60 by 4, then we will get 15. So this 15 indicate the age of son. Now what will be the age of mother? So age of mother, look, age of mother 3 times of son. Clear? So we can say 3 into 15 years. Clear? So it will be 45 years. So answer 45 years. Dear students, also you can write alternative way. For finding the age of mother, also you can apply alternate way. Which will be our alternate way? Our alternate way will be, you can write 60 minus 15. 60 minus 15 years. So it will be 45 years. Clear? you can write 3 into 15, 45 years. Also you can write 60 minus 15. Why 60? Because 60 is the sum of their ages. So if we subtract son age, then remaining will be mother's age. So both one are correct. This one and this one, you can apply any one. So A, B, C, done. Now we can go to the problem number D. After 8 years, what will be the sum of their age? Look, after 8 years, we can say there are two persons and separately their age will be increased. If son is increased 8 years, obviously mothers also will be increased 8 years. So we can say their total age will be increased 8 plus 8, that means 16 years. So we have to add 16 from with 60 years, because 60 years this is the present age we can say. So after 8 years it will be 60 plus 8 plus 8, that means 16 years. So our answer, it will be 76. Now we can go to the our problem number D. D number, we can write after 8 years, sum of their ages will be 60 plus 8. Suppose this 8 for son and also this 8 for mother. So 8 plus 8, 2 person, these years. Now we can write 60 plus 16 years. So this is 76 years. So answer 76 years. They are very simple, dear students. Now you can try in your chapter 3 maths. You can, no problem. Also you can make creative question like A, B, C, D, anyone, A, B, C or D, and you can make the solve. If any problem, you can take my help, no problem. So this is our problem number 10. In our math book there is no creative question, but according to the problem number 10, look, also we have made a creative question. Now dear students, I will give you a homework for you. Now your main task, at first you have to revise you exercise math. Every math you have to revise, then try to make CQ. Personally you can try to make creative question, then you can solve. And also you can take my help, always you can take my help. Now dear students, I will write another creative question. It will be your homework, but I will discuss, don't worry. Now based on 16, our problem number 16, according to 16 it will be now we can write a motorcycle can travel 300 kilometer by 12 liter of petrol. Look, this is our problem number 16. Now by using this information, now we can make a creative question. Suppose number A, we can write how many kilometer will be traveled by 1 liter of petrol. This is 12 liter and motorcycle can go 300 kilometer. Now by using 1 liter, how many kilometer it can be go? Now this is our question number A. Now B number, similar type we can write how many kilometer will be traveled, same type of question, no problem, by 30 liter of petrol. And C number we can write conversely. This we can write how many liters of petrol. How many liters of petrol will be necessary to travel 100 kilometer. Suppose this is our another part. Now dear students, look, at first a motorcycle can travel 300 kilometer by 12 liter of petrol. Now by using 1 liter of petrol, how many kilometer will be traveled this motorcycle? Suppose, sir, 12 liter 300 kilometers, so 1 liter it will be more or less, obviously less. So as a unitary method, you have to write as a unitary method. Don't try to write as a one sentence. If you write your sentence as a good process, you will carry good marks. Now you can write by 12 liter of petrol it can travel 300 kilometer, like one you can write. Now 1 liter of petrol, so we have to divide, so it will be 300 divide 12 and you will get the answer. Clear? So our answer will be this kilometer, 300 divided by 12. Suppose you know 300 divided by 12, what will be the answer? Look, this 2 times and remaining will be 6. So 65 times. So it is 25 kilometer. Now look, how many kilometer will be traveled by 30 liter of petrol? Now look, from A we get 1 liter 25 kilometers. So 30 liter it will be more. So we can write 25 into 30 kilometer. So this will be our answer. But you have to write as a sentence. Clear? Good process. You have to write as a sentence. Now, how many liters of petrol will be necessary to travel 100 kilometer? So we have to write as a convert. So we can say 300 kilometer can go by 12 liters. So we can write 300 kilometer can go by 12 liter. So 1 kilometer we need less. So 12 divided by 300. Now if we want to go 100 kilometer, then we need 12 into 100. Now we need more, so multiply, divided by 300. Now if we divide 0 0 and this 3 divided by 4, this is 4. So we can say 4 liter. So our answer 4 liter of water. Clear? Dear students, so this is your homework. Just I am trying to give you hints how you can solve it. So this will be your process. Now write as a good sentence as a unitary method. Clear, dear students? So at first go to the chapter 3 and complete all word problem and also complete this creative question based on 16 number maths. Okay, dear students, thank you very much. No more today.